absolute shock for Durga Puja in Bengal yesterday, as the Calcutta High Court ordered the Pandals will be no entry zones for visitors, as steps needed for safety were not in place. But now Puja organizers are set to challenge the Calcutta High Court's decision and ask for a review. Let's go across to Monideepa for more on this. Monideepa, give us the details.
Well, we've just heard from the Forum for Durgotsav, which is an umbrella organization of Kolkata's biggest pujas, 400 of them. This forum is now approaching the same bench that passed the order saying no entry. This forum will approach the same bench and seek a review of the order. Now, this is going to start the whole process at about 11 o'clock in the morning at the Calcutta High Court, and then perhaps the case will be heard around 2 o'clock. We are not sure. But the Durgotsav Forum, as it is generally known, is, yesterday they did say that they would have to abide by the High Court order. There was no question about that. But the last-minute nature of the order has really, upset their situation, which is why they are now compelled to seek a review. The upset is in, not just sentimentally or emotionally, but also technically. They were pointing out to me that they have already made arrangements so that when, people come view the gods at the Pandal, there will be an entry gate, and then there will be several exit gates for them to disperse quickly so that there is no crowding. What they are now saying is that, if there's a barricade at a certain point where the devotees have to come and stop, how will the devotees move back and away from the barricade? They feel that there will be chaos at that point where the barricade is put up. And therefore, the existing system that they have put in place may be the best way to minimize and control crowds. This is why the review petition, 400 Durga Pujas, the biggest in Kolkata, seeking a review from the High Court. If that is rejected, we still don't know whether they will go to the Supreme Court or not, given that there's really no time left.
Right. And Moni, what were the reactions like to this? Because as you said, it was quite a shock to the organizers. They've, invested, they've put up these pandals. But at the same time, the cases are going up in West Bengal. And you also reported about how hospitals are dreading the festivities because they're already so overburdened and they're expecting more cases post the festivities. So what were the reactions like?
Well, the Durga Puja Pandal organizers are, I think, all of them are in a state of shock. Because, they were saying that if the order had come earlier, we would know how to deal with it. But right now, it is too late. So that's the Durga Puja Pandal organizers' point of view. Doctors, the few that I have spoken to, they are absolutely relieved. They are saying that this is the most sensible decision to have come at this point of time, at a time when West Bengal's numbers are going up. New infections are, going up every day, hitting the highest mark. Deaths also. Kolkata and North 24 Parganas are the worst. And the crisis in, intensive care beds is high. There are no beds available in the CCUs and ICUs, and that is dangerous. That's what doctors are saying. Now, people have mixed reactions. Yesterday, after the order came, we were passing through New Market, and it was like Christmas. People were out on the streets, masked and unmasked. So, there is a kind of disappointment among people that the order has come at the last moment, but there is no, decrease in the fervor of celebrations going on, at least